visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Let's check no kung ano po ang mga mangyayari sa paligid or nangyayari na sa paligid. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And believe in the divine timing or synchronicities kasi this is a timeless reading, no? Kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, it doesn't matter kung last year ko pa ito pinost, ngayon nyo lang nakita, or kanina lang, it doesn't matter. This is a timeless reading like what I mentioned. Whenever you see the video, the message is meant to find you. The Judgment, the Knight of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. Wow. Meron ditong sa galit, parang sinabi, sa galit, sa ines, sa pagkadismaya, disappointment, parang nagdesisyon akong I am going to move forward with my life, iiwan na kita. I feel like wala na ako nakikitang future dito sa relationship na ito. I also feel like medyo nawawalan na ako ng hope, no? Na magkakaroon pa tayo ng magandang kinabukasan. Either magkakaayos pa tayo, maayos pa itong buhay natin. It felt like my decision is final and I am moving forward with my life. So ito yung tao na probably made a decision kasi nandito pa yung Queen of Swords, heightened yung energy. Sabi nga natin, di ba, kapag ang isang tao ay heighten yung energy, it's much better to pwedeng itulog muna, no? Isiping mabuti ang gagawin. Hindi lang yung galit ha. Pag sobrang kasing galit, pwede tayong makapagsalita ng hindi maganda eh, no? And then baka bigla nating maisip na sana pala hindi ko sinabi. Me and my big mouth, no? Or pwede rin namang dahil din sa sobrang tuwa, napao tayo, no? Tapos, nung humupa na yung tuwa, bigla mong naisip, sana pala hindi ako pumoo. Parang napasubok ako. It's much better siguro na parang, no, I'm going to think about it, pero wala na, nagawa na, ginagawa na, nasabi na, nag-take action na. Wala rin namang masama. Pwedeng maging tama ito, pero ang sinasabi ko lang, no, kapag heighten ng energy, chances are, meron ka pang time makapag-isip, no? I feel like medyo madalian kasi, so yun na yung ginawa. 10 of Pentacles and the 3 of Swords. Sa sobrang galit. Sobra yung pain na iparamdam dito sa tao. With the 10 of Pentacles, parang sinabi niya, ginawa ko lahat, no? Inayos kita, inayos ko tong relationship, inayos ko rin yung sarili ko, inayos ko tong bahay na to, no? Parang everything comes from me. From the scratch. Hindi naman sa panunumbat. Siguro nandito yung sa isip lang nitong taong to na wala ka naman nung tayo nagkita, pero tinulungan kita, tapos sasaktan mo lang ako, no? I made you. Ayan. Parang, yeah, I made you. And then, wala akong nakita. The Three of Swords is clarified with the Knight, King of Wands rather, and the Sun. Nagsinungaling. Pwedeng sabihin natin ilang beses nagsinungaling or pwedeng ilang beses nagsinungaling, nagpatong-patong, and nawala na yung trust. Pwedeng isang sinungaling lang pero big time, no? Ganun kalakas yung impact, and I feel like you exceeded, no? Parang you pushed my button, you triggered me, which I feel like sobrang haba naman ng pasensya ko, pero you did something wrong that felt like very foul, no? Foul na yan. It's below the belt. Ayan. With the Magician, the Tower, and the Knight of Pentacles. So, sinusuyo pa rin nitong taong to. But someone here felt like, katulad ng sinabi ko, my decision is final. For a few numbers of you, baka meron ditong agreement, whether this is a kasal na, no? Wanting a divorce, then parang sabi, ayokong pirmahan. For a few numbers of you with the Tower, and the Knight of Pentacles, para kasing sinira mo din yung mga pangarap natin, Tower and the Magician. Parang sabay tayong nangarap dito, kaso mas inuna mo yan. Mas priority mo ang magsinungaling kaysa ayusin ang relationship natin. The Five of Cups and the Seven of Cups. I felt like there's an option in here. Pwedeng third party situation. Pwede rin naman na mas inuna mo yung barkada mo. So parang ganito yan no? So kung mas gusto mo palang kasama mga barkada mo, by all means, no? Hindi kita pipigilan, doon ka na. Ayoko nang ma-imbier na, ayoko na mainis, ayoko nang magalit. Gusto mo ako pa maghahatid, no, ng mga gamit mo, pamili ka sa kaninong kaibigan ka titira, no, yung ganon. With the Justice and the Death card. So ayan. Kailangan pa bang umabot sa ganito para lang sabihin itong taong to na hindi ko na uulitin? Hindi ko nagagawin. Kaya naman pala. Ngayon ako yung nagagalit. Ako yung naiinis. Kumukulo ang dugo ko. No? Kaya naman palang gawin. Pinaabot mo pa sa ganito. With the Justice kasi, willing na akong gawin. Ngayon pa. With the Death card, para lang bumalik ka. Let's continue our relationship. Paano yan? Nasabi mo na. Nagawa mo na. Siguro, kung nandito ka sa situation na to, may tatanong ko lang, mapapaloko ka pa ba? Bibigyan mo ba to ng another chance? Kasi hindi lang siguro to second chance, no? Or, are you really moving forward with your life? Let me know sa comment section. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung kayo po ay may mga tanong, personal question, you can contact me. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po to. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign, no? I'm seeing Scorpio, Libra, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Sagittarius, Gemini. Did I just mention Virgo? Virgo is here. Libra is here, Aquarius is here, Leo is here, Aries is here. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na readings. Goodbye!